Blessings everybody and welcome back to my channel Life with Donna B. Today I'm going to show you how I went from freshly harvested Jazzy potatoes, which I grew myself out on the windowsill, to these beautifully tasted garlic roasted potatoes, all in around an hour. These are the Jazzy potatoes that I harvested. As you know, I don't have a garden. I grew them outside on the window ledge. Perfect. Let's get these potatoes in the sink. We need to wash off all that loose dirt. You don't need to peel them. It's perfectly fine to have them with the skin on. Let's get that water running. Rinse these potatoes. Rinse, 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 rinse. You want to make sure you drain off the water, okay? We're not boiling them. We're not steaming them. We're going to roast them. We don't want too much excess water. Over to the chopping board. As you can see, I sliced my potatoes lengthways. Slice yours how you want, whether chips size, wedges, in quarts, slice them how you want. I just figured that for the size, this was more appropriate for me. Now we're going to need some fresh garlic. I used 7 pegs of garlic and I used a garlic press to crush it. Now you can see the other ingredients: oil, salt, black pepper, oregano, and basil. Use what you have. Use what oil, what salt, what black pepper you have. And use what dried herbs you want. You don't have to use what I used. Here, I drizzled on some olive oil. Now, I didn't drown them. I just put a drizzle. Here, I added a couple pinches of salt. Now, salt is not good for you. It's only there in the food for taste. Here, I added my black pepper. Basil and oregano was added. And now the garlic. Now the fun bit begins. Let's start mixing. You want to mix all these ingredients together and make sure that every piece of potato is covered nicely. Over to the baking tray. You do not need to grease this baking tray. Remember guys, the potatoes already have oil on them, okay? So let's just get them into the baking tray, laid out nice and finely. Now, oven time. I put my oven on 200 degrees Celsius and I cooked these potatoes for 1 hour. I did turn them a couple times throughout that time. And Bob's your uncle. These were beautiful. I really didn't expect them to come out that nice, but trust me, they were so good. I served up mine with some steamed broccoli, sweet corn, and curry chicken. Everything literally took me an hour. Now, I don't know about you, but I know about me. There was nothing left back on my plate when I finished. These potatoes were fluffy. They had a nice crunch and a beautiful flavor. And I don't know if it's because I was hungry or for the sheer fact that I actually grew these potatoes myself. I don't have a garden, guys. I grew them in a grow bag out on the window ledge. Now, to say I'm feeling proud of myself is an understatement. Now remember, use what you have. Don't expense yourself. Try everything once and you never know. You just never know. So here is my garlic roasted potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. Bless.